The video, we got the special buy of the day. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more 2DOs price glitches. Alright, so we got a really good deal on a mower, a string trimmer blower combo. Show you guys that in a second. Alright, so we got 24-inch control built-in dishwasher, LG, $7.99, down from $13.99. Got the Gladiator storage. These are for the garage or shop area. They're ready to assemble. Large gearbox, 36 by 72, $2.99, down from $4.29. A 48 by 72, 28 by 28, a 28 by 31. So there's different sizes. I will leave you guys the links, including the bottom parts. Two boxes. This one's 28 by 34, $5.49, and so forth. All right, so this is the deal. You're getting the blower, string trimmer, and the mower. A battery for $5.49. That's a killer deal. This is the Greenworks Pro. So this is 80 volts, very powerful. You got some patio furniture, different stuff. We got a a chainsaw. This is a V20, 20 volts, 12-inch, 5 amp hour. $159, down from $219. And the next one down, we got 3.5, 21-degree pneumatic nailer. This one is $149, down from $219. Next one down is this Metabo HPT multiple reciprocating saw, 36 volts. This is variable speed, $159. Now this one is very powerful. I used to have this one, and this thing was a beast. Yeah, definitely a beast. And then you got some faucets here for the kitchen, different sizes, different prices. I'm not gonna go over all these because to start, I don't have a voice yet. We got the Wagner Flexio. This one is 3500 series. Electric handheld HPLP paint sprayers, $159, down from $189. These are good for smaller jobs. If you get a door, maybe a piece of baseboard or something that you need a piece of trim that you need painted, these are great for that. Anything bigger than that, then I will go somewhere else. A Rail Classic Versa Rail and Project Source toolset. That's it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great weekend. We'll see you guys on the next one.